Nothing else will go on record. Wahab will speak. It is not going on record. Sanjay Singh, sit down. Sanjay Singh, sit down. Wahab, you speak. Otherwise, you start. Wahab, you sit. Sanjay Singh, you sit down. Sanjay Singh, you sit down. Now, Wahab, you speak. 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Wahab, your time is only 5 minutes, eh?
Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Okay.
First of all, after speaking after Sanjay Singh, it is very difficult thing here. I appreciate Sanjay Singh in his maiden speech. He was doing this, or I hope I would be in that position 10 years back when I was in the maiden speech. I couldn't speak one word. But now he is taking his 15 minutes plus. Anyway, thank you. And I appreciate, with all these differences in the opposition bench, I appreciate the government of our Modi ji. I appreciate, because they are taking more care in Muslim women's case. And Muslim, as a Muslim, I am appreciating the efforts taken by the government to protect the rights of Muslim women, sending them to streets and husband to jail. And this one I am very much appreciated. And more than that, our no, this about the Mutalaq bill, okay, and some efforts made by the Ministry of External Affairs. There was an initiative for changing the passport color to orange instead of blue, making these Indians in different category, working class, business class, and all. That also it was under pipeline. I don't know what happened. It was big in the newspaper. These sort of activities I appreciate, because 2019 election is coming, so that people can take a decision now itself. So these sort of actions, I hope that it will continue. And under the leadership of our Mukhtar Naqvi ji, our minority, we have got a lot of hope on Abbas ji for looking after the minority issues and all. And especially in the case of Hajj, they are taking a good steps by reducing the whatever subsidy we are having, already taken over. Supreme Court was giving 10 years, but now the government has taken in 8 years itself. So they are taking good steps. So in this aspect, IUML, as a member of IUML, I appreciate, and it should continue just like this. See, these sort of Muslim prenan, or what is minority, what you call prenan, appeasement should be continued, so that we can come more in numbers to this house. So this is my sincere reason. I am not taking much of the word. Everything is told by Sanjay Singh. I don't want to say again and again and again. And almost everything is talked about. And I hope that whatever our president has given the promises, not his, this promise, where in the central law, the first promise by the Republic Day, that was his address. This address was given to him by the government. He has to, that is the normal ceremonial speech, he has to speak whatever it is written. But in the case of Kerala, whatever address is given, he is not reading, the governor is not reading. He is just skipping some paragraph from whatever.
No reference to governor, no, expunged.
No? What is that?
No reference to governor of Kerala,
sorry,
expunged. Expunged.
Okay. So these are the things happening in this country.
No, he mentioned governor of Kerala. No,
गवर्नर पे तो बात हुई है इस पूरे दिन सदन में बात हुई
he was mentioning the action of the governor.
आज ही बंगाल के गवर्नर पे बात कल हुई आज हुई बंगाल के गवर्नर
Yes, that is
हुई है उन्होंने अगर केरल गवर्नर कह दिया क्या गलत का
he was mentioning the action of the governor and criticizing the action of the governor in the assembly.
So this is my right.
No, not the governor.
गवर्नर के लिए ताली बजाने
No,
I was praising only.
गलत कर रहा हूँ
I was
not governor. He can criticize the government, not the governor.
I am praising the governor. Because our governor was not reading because it is against his conscience. So I am praising his. This was not happening in the case of our honorable president. So anyway, according to your So you gave me some minutes. I am taking that. I am not speaking. I cannot.
Only
speak
5
just
minutes,
like
one more
Sanjay
minute.
Singh.
Only one more
I want
minute.
to give my day spare time also to Sanjay
Okay,
Singh.
fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Sri Sanjeev Kumar.
വാർത്തകൾ സുതാര്യമായും സുവ്യക്തമായും അറിയാൻ നാഷണൽ ന്യൂസ് ചാനൽ ഇനിയും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഒപ്പം കാണുന്ന ബെല്ലൈക്കണും ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കല്ലേ.